In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Afterpay to your Woocomerce store. Afterpay lets your customers pay in easy installments, which can increase your sales. Let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to plugins.add-new. Search for the Afterpay Gateway for Woocomerce plugin or similar official Afterpay integration plugins. Install and activate the plugin. Next, go to Woocomerce. Settings, Payments. Find Afterpay or ClearPay in the list of payment methods and enable it. You will need your Afterpay merchant ID and secret key to set up the connection. If you don't have these, sign up for an Afterpay merchant account on their website and complete the onboarding process. Enter your credentials into the plugin settings and save changes. Make sure Afterpay is enabled on your checkout page by testing a purchase. You can also add Afterpay messaging on your product pages using compatible Woocomerce extensions or widgets. That's how you connect Afterpay to Woocomerce. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching!